Okay, now I want to change the quick release for the main grade. Main grade. Okay, this is the one. Direct replace. So let's open up and see. So the housing is almost, the center piece is almost the same. So the plate will be around 1 inch longer to the grip, you can see. But I found that this one, if replaced to version 2.5, which is my version, the thing is the FPL is different, you can see. Okay, for the head here, for this link which don't have here, so this is the problem. Because of this swatch plate is a version 2.5, is different from V3. So for V3 is a direct replace with the head, this head unit with the quick release grab. One whole set is a direct replace. For 2.5, version 2.5, this head unit is different because the flybarless unit have this link, is different from the V3. So my method is I just replace this piece of the grade, these two pieces, with the feedering bar inside. Okay, so I use back the version 2.5 head, and I replace the link here, this link, use back the 2.5 version. So this is the modification that I do. Okay, main blade quick release already done. This is my FW450 version 2.5. I have replaced the quick release. So now try out. Push in and twist. Push in and twist anti-clockwise. Put it back. Make sure the slot is on the top. Push in all the way and twist clockwise until it locks. Okay, same for this side. Push in, twist clockwise until it locks. So double check. Okay, now I have power on, initialize done. So under this 3D mode, I will check the pitch after the replacement of this quick release. Will it affect the ordinary setting? I did not do any setting modification. Okay, so this video is proof that direct replace of this quick release does not affect the pitch setting. So in this 3D mode, now we can see, okay, maximum and minimum pitch is there. Okay, center pitch is 0. So from this mark we can see maximum, minimum, and center 0. So setting is good.